How to remove Yahoo search from Chrome. You can do that pretty quick in just few simple steps if you want to change your default search engine on Google Chrome. As you see, if I will open a tab and try to search for something, it doesn't matter as many times I will try to search for something, always I will see Yahoo's logo there, and it means Yahoo is the default search engine. And the good news is we can change it. Of course we can change it. What you have to do, if Google Chrome is not open already, just open it, and after that you should see three dots in the top right side of the screen. You have to press on those dots and try to locate settings in the menu that just popped up and press on it. These are the settings of Google Chrome. On the left side you have to locate search engine, press on it, and as we can see, Yahoo search is set as a default search engine. To change it, press on change and choose the search engine you would like to have. For me, I'll choose Google and press on set as default. It is that easy to change the default search engine, but just to make sure Yahoo search did not install from an unwanted extension, you can locate extensions in the menu. Here you can see all the extensions that you have installed in Google Chrome. If something does not look familiar to you, you can easily turn them off. If you want to disable or enable an extension, you can slide this little thing on or off, and in this way you can enable or disable any extension you have inside Google Chrome. And you can double check it just to make sure Yahoo search did not set as default from an unwanted extension. I really hope this tutorial helped you out to remove Yahoo default search engine. Bye bye and have a great day.